welcome to Toddler Storytime. I'm Miss Missy, and today we are going to read books and sing songs about ducks. We'll open with This Is the Way I Move. This is the way I clap my hands, clap my hands, clap my hands. This is the way I clap my hands during story time. Ready to stomp your feet? This is the way I stomp my feet, stomp my feet, stomp my feet. This is the way I stomp my feet during story time. What else should we do? Should we stretch up high? This is the way I stretch up high, stretch up high, stretch up high. This is the way I stretch up high during story time. Let's bend over and touch our toes. This is the way I touch my toes, touch my toes, touch my toes. This is the way I touch my toes during story time. Spin in a circle. This is the way I spin in a circle, spin in a circle, spin in a circle. This is the way I spin in a circle during story time. Now you're ready to have a seat. This is the way I sit in my seat, sit in my seat, sit in my seat. This is the way I sit in my seat during story time. All right, we're ready for our first book. This is called Duck's Ditty. It's by Kenneth, Grahame, and it's illustrated by Alex Willmore. There's the pond. There's a little duck upside down. All along the backwater, through the rushes tall, ducks are a-dabbling, up tails tall. Duck tails, drake's tails, all our feet a-quiver. Yellow bills are out of sight, busy in the river. In the slushy undergrowth where the fishes swim is the place we like to go, calm and cool and dim. This is what we really like, where we like to be. Heads down, tails up, dabbling free. What is dabbling? They're just in the water, moving their feet, moving their little beaks. High up in the blue above, others whirl and call. We are down a-dabbling, up tails all. All their little tails are up and you can see their little heads underneath, getting some fish, playing in the water. That's called Duck's Ditty. Now we're going to sing a little song that uses the word dabbling too. It's called All the Little Ducks Go Upside Down. All the little ducks go upside down, upside down, upside down. All the little ducks go upside down as they dabble at the bottom of the pond. Now we're going to have their beaks go quack. They're also called bills, which the book called them bills, but we're going to call them beaks for our song. All their little beaks go quack, 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 quack. All their little beaks go quack, quack, quack as they dabble at the bottom of the pond. What are they going to do with their wings? They flap? All their little wings go flap, 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 flap. All their little wings go flap, flap, flap as they dabble at the bottom of the pond. What about their tails? They're going to go wiggle, waggle, wiggle. All their little tails go wiggle, waggle, wiggle, wiggle, waggle, wiggle, wiggle, waggle, wiggle. All their little tails go wiggle, waggle, wiggle as they dabble at the bottom of the pond. How about their feet? All their little feet go paddle, 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 paddle. All their little feet go paddle, paddle, paddle as they dabble at the bottom of the pond. Oh, they've had a busy day. Now all the little ducks are going to go fast asleep. All the little ducks fall fast asleep, fast asleep, fast asleep. All the little ducks fall fast asleep as they cuddle up to Mama at the pond. Good job. Our next book is called Ducks Away. It's written by Mem Fox and illustrated by Judy Horacek. Ducks Away. One fine day, a mother duck waddled onto a bridge. A fluffy yellow duckling followed right behind her. Actually, it was 2 little ducks. No, it was 3 little ducks. You think it's 3? Wait, it was 4 little ducks. What? It was 5 little ducks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Except just then, a sudden gust of wind swept the last little duck right into the river below. Oh no, quacked Mother Duck. What should I do? Where should I go? With 4 on the bridge and 1 below. One of the other little ducks decided to take a look, and he toppled into the river below. Oh no, quacked Mother Duck. What should I do? Where should I go? With 3 on the bridge and 2 below. Then another little duck peered over the edge, and she toppled into the river below. Oh no, quacked Mother Duck. What should I do? Where should I go? With 2 on the bridge and 3 below. Then another little duck peeked over the edge, and she toppled into the river below. How many are down here now? 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh no, quacked Mother Duck. What should I do? Where should I go? With 1 on the bridge and 4 below. Then the last little duck foolishly lost his footing. And he tumbled into the river as well. Mother Duck looked down. The 5 little ducks looked up. Right, said Mother Duck. I know what to do, and I know where to go. I'll have to fly down to the river below. She stepped slightly forward, and she stepped slightly back. The 5 little ducks said, quack, quack, quack. Then the first little duck said, Mom, go with the flow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. And Mother Duck flew to the river below. Quack, said the 5 little ducks. You're back. They're so happy to be back with their mom, and they're all in the water together. All right, I need you to stand up. I'm going to say, duckling, duckling, turn around. Duckling, duckling, touch the ground. Duckling, duckling, reach your wings wide. Duckling, duckling, fly so high. Duckling, duckling, shake those feathers. Duckling, duckling, quack together. Ready? Quack, quack. Duckling, duckling, kick those feet. Duckling, duckling, have a seat. All right, here, all ready for our last story. This is called Splish, Splash, Ducky. It's written and illustrated by Lucy Cousins. Hello, I am Ducky Duckling. When I'm feeling happy, I say quack, quack, quack. Is that what you say when you're happy? Quack, quack, quack. Oh goody, hooray, it's raining today. I'm going to find my friends to play. Quack, quack, quack. Drip, drip, drop, I hop with frog. Quack, quack, quack. I like to squirm with wiggly worm. Quack, quack, quack. A hug for bug, and a hug for slug. Quack, quack, quack. Into the pond to play with the swans. Quack, quack, quack. Splash, splish, I swim with fish. Quack, quack, quack. We shake our feathers in the rainy weather. Quack, quack, quack. Drip, drop, plip, plop. Rain is funny on your tummy. Quack, quack, quack. Squeak, squeak, hide and seek. Quack, quack, quack. Oh no, the rain has stopped. No more drips, no more drops, no more quacking. I'm feeling sad. I think I'll go to see my dad. Cheer up, Ducky, here comes the sun. Look at the butterflies having fun. We'll quack together, whatever the weather. Hop on my back and quack, quack, quack. You can be happy no matter what the weather is, right? All right. Thanks for joining me for Duck Storytime. We're going to end with This is Big. This is big, big, big. This is small, small, small. This is short, short, short. This is tall, tall, tall. This is fast, fast, fast. This is slow, slow, slow. This is yes, yes, yes. This is no, no, no. This is stop, stop, stop. This is go, go, go. I'll see you next time on Toddler Storytime.